So then I said, always a gentleman.
But never a gentleman.
Hey!
Hey, you there! Yes, you! Have you heard the dangers of bird flu? Then take heed, for this is the #1 cause of a decrease in avian work-related productivity. Pay close attention to these symptoms and signs. It starts with an innocent cough and the sniffle. Before you realize, you might already have developed a sudden urge to fly. This can quickly develop into an involuntary head jerk, which can also present at the joints.
Quick, Polly.
As the disease spreads to the nervous system, the patient might experience a need to defecate on public property. So now you must understand the need for proper infection control. Our wards are already filling up quicker than we expected. Bird flu. This is something worth giving a cluck about.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.